To get started, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or other high heat oil like safflower oil to a heavy bottom skillet over medium-high heat. Don't use olive oil or regular butter, it will burn. Inspect your scallops. You may find this little doodad on there. It's called the abductor muscle. It holds the scallop to the shell, completely edible but a little bit chewy, so go ahead and just peel that off. Place your scallops flat side down, don't overcrowd them in a pan, and let them go for 2 minutes. Don't mess with them. You want them to develop this beautiful crust. In order to do that, they're going to have to be completely dry, so I'll leave some tips in the description below to let you know how to do that. After you've let them go on for about 2 minutes, go ahead and flip them and baste the tops with the butter. These are going to go for about a minute, maybe even 30 seconds only, depending on how thick they were. At this point, you could completely get away with serving these just as is. A little bit of fresh squeezed lemon and absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you a quick wine and butter sauce here to dress them up just a bit. So that was a half a cup of dry white wine, added right back to that pan, and scrape up any bottom bits, also known as fond, and add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Hit it with some salt, fresh cracked pepper, turn the heat off, and add a tablespoon of cold butter. I forgot to add the tablespoon of fresh Italian parsley, which the Italians call parsley. Go ahead and give that a taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. A little more salt, a little more pepper as usual. Swirl to combine, and now let's take this over and pour this on these golden delicious gems of the sea. Gosh, they look good. If this recipe looked easy, it's because it was. There were no tricks or anything to this. So let's get in here and see how they taste. The texture on these is amazing. Luxuriously firm but delicate. The flavor so fresh, has a little bit of a sweetness to it, and that wine and brightness from the lemon really work well. That's really it, folks. Don't let these scallops intimidate you. Really easy to do. So till next time, get in the kitchen, put a smile on someone's face, keep a smile on yours, and be a good human being. Thanks for watching.